So good afternoon once again. So all of you know, right, fundamentally Wipro is a technology services company. Technology is at the core of whatever we do in the global arena. It's the core of the revenues we make. So it's important for us as an organization to constantly stay at the leading edge of technology. And also, for us to be able to do that, it's also important that we constantly work with our academia, the colleges, and ensure that the talent that is coming out of these colleges is also equally at the leading edge of the technology. So in a way, the foundation of this whole Apton contest is a collaboration between industry and academia, and making sure that we look at the talent that is coming out and we kind of make them ready for the future challenges that the industry has to offer. When the talent that comes out of, mainly the engineering colleges, who have been providing us every year the raw talent from academia, when they come out, typically they have a lot of raw talent, but they don't have, some of the skills and the ideas that are necessary to become successful in the global enterprise arena, and that is what Wipro is all about. So this contest in a way blends the two. We wanted to use our own technical team's experience and expertise in doing things in the right process, using the right tools and techniques, and looking at the eventual business focus or a problem focus on how to solve a problem, and apply these skills to the actual talent that the students have to rapidly develop something using latest technologies, which we believed always that the students of today, definitely have. So with that belief, we designed this program, and using our campus teams that have vast relationships with the campuses all over the country, we reached out to the top engineering campuses in the state, and we asked them, will your students be willing to participate in this? We explained the program to them, and then we started interacting. This whole process took us, it probably would have started about 2 months ago, and then we went out, we evangelized the whole program with them, and then we invited teams from each of these colleges to come and participate. And then from our side, we identified leaders who can drive this program. We identified technical experts and process experts who can play mentorship roles. Essentially, a mentor's role is to work with a set of colleges and teams and then guide them through the entire process from beginning till today, which is the culmination of the entire exercise. So we formed teams on our side. The colleges formed teams on their side. And then we created a screening process, because we felt for any such contest to be successful, some application of screening and some kind of an elimination is important. We can't have just everyone participating. It's logistically impossible. So we used a transparent and robust screening mechanism, called the entire set of teams to our campus, nearly a month ago, and we used a whole day with our Wipro teams participating along with the students to conduct the screening process. Then we shortlisted a set of teams. Now what you are seeing here today are the shortlisted set of teams that are participating in the contest. Now, before it came to the contest itself, our mentors started working with them, explained the rules of the game, do's and don'ts, and then we did both telephonic mentoring, and we also, our mentors went to the campuses and physically interacted with the students and guided them through the entire development process, how to develop these apps. So this went on from the time the screening happened till the time the contest started. And the contest itself, we designed it in such a way that if you notice the name Apton, the thon is borrowed from, as most of you would have guessed, marathon. We said it has to be one single non-stop coding development contest. It's not about taking a problem statement, going back to your campuses, develop it leisurely and submit it back for evaluation. No. Because worldwide the belief is technology is moving so rapidly and there are so many tools and techniques available. These mobile apps can be developed very quickly.